Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you aren't subscribed, click the subscribe button and notification bell. If I look a little funny, I've been doing some pre-recording for my IG and trying to get them done. But the next 2 days, today and tomorrow, I'm gonna do my Christmas gifts I got from my sister. So I'm gonna try to pop those out, and the first one I'm gonna use is from Ulta. Is their line, and they did a Black Widow palette, and I'm gonna even try out, they had like 3 or 4 lip kits, so I'm gonna try out one of the lip kits, and this one is Stealthy, and I'll show you the color when I get it open. But this is not anything I would expect from Black Widow at all. It's okay, it's very neutral. There is some pop of reds. I'm not all that pleased with it, but I do love Marvel. It's one of my favorite. I grew up with comic books and everything. I'm a big Marvel fan. So, and if you guys were wondering, I don't know if anyone even cares at all, I didn't do my makeup and spooks this month because I couldn't think of anything, but I do have something planned out for next month, which I hope no one gets offended, but I think it would be kind of cool to do, so just wait until you see that. But, yeah. I am not sure what I'm going to do because this is a very, very neutral palette. So I think I'm going to go in, because I already have my eye primer. I'm using a nude NYX eye primer. This one, yeah. Skin Tone, it's called. So I'm going to go with the color called Fighter, and put it right here and see how that blends. Not too bad. I have never used Ulta's eyeshadow formula before, so let's see how this works out. I'm gonna wipe that off. I'm gonna use that one color. It's like a red color. It's called Powder or Power. I'm gonna run that. Let's see. Try and mix the 2 colors. Not too bad. The formula doesn't seem too bad. I've never used them before. So I'm gonna grab another. My brushes are so stained with pink. That's one bad thing about Jeffree Star eye product. I'm gonna go in the color, it's a black one called Undercover. These 2 colors I do see being in the palette, but I'm gonna just blotch that right here and just infuse this area a little bit, darken it. I've been doing a lot of the same looks. I've just been in a rut. I'm gonna try to get more creative, hopefully soon. Okay, not too bad. The formula's not too bad. Okay, I'm gonna grab Covert, that brown right there, and put that underneath. I'm just gonna use this dense brush just to pack it in very close to the lid. I'm gonna use my finger real quick, and I'm gonna figure out what shimmers I want to use, because all of them almost look exactly the same. I do have lip gloss on right now because my lips are so dry because this weather is insane. I mean, insane. Okay. Grabbing a flat brush, and I think I'm going to use Heroic and Infiltrate this color, and then I'm going to use Rentlessness. This right here. I'm not pronouncing these right, sorry. So I'm going to go in with Heroic first. Oh, the shimmer's not too bad. That's not too bad. I was kind of expecting a little different, but it's not bad. And this color's gonna be dark. That one's a dark one. Alright, so I'm gonna blotch out just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with a color called Fury. It's right here. So, not bad. And grab that one brush I just used. Where did you go? There it is. Okay, not too bad. So I'm going to use that other color I just said, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Alright, so not bad. The formula doesn't seem too terribly at all. I'm not disappointed. I was really grateful to get this for my Christmas gift. Or I think it was my birthday gift, one of the two. I knew she combined a lot of my stuff together. My birthday and my Christmas. Okay. So I'm going to go off camera, recreate it on the other eye, and put liner, and probably just put my under, yeah, my upper lashes still have mascara on them, and and come back and do the lip with you guys, okay? So give me one moment. Okay guys, so here's the look. I don't know why that sign does not. It looks fine. Alright, so here's the packet. It's really cute. So I think the color's like a red. I don't think this look would go with it, and I need to fix my lash. Right. It is a burnt colored red. So it's a lip liner. I don't wear lipstick very much, like Bullet very much. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to use the lip liner. I don't use lip liners very often. I'm not very good at this, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Alright. Not the best looking, but I tried. Okay. So here's the lipstick. It's creamy. Very creamy. I was expecting a little bit darker. Because this looks like it's dark, but I don't know. Doesn't seem too dark. But it's very wet. If I had to explain it, it feels very wet. But not bad. It's cute. They don't have it on their website no more. I went looking on Ulta and I did not see them at all. So, but it's not bad. Not my cup of tea, but not bad. It is very creamy. I was very grateful that she got these for me. Alright, so my upper line, I used my e.l.f. in Midnight liquid liner to enhance. My bottom I got from ColourPop in Call Me. My lashes are from BadGalLuxe in Drama Queen. And I don't think that's too bad. The palette's not too bad. It's probably just light for me. It looks patchy, but it probably isn't. Because I notice that sometimes what I think is patchy really isn't patchy after I look at it on my computer, which is freaking annoying. But I hope you guys like this review on the Ulta X Black Widow palette and stuff. I want to try the Harry Potter ones, but I've been getting mixed reviews on that. So I don't know. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I would love to get my hands on those. But I don't know. I don't know. I mean, the liner just really messed up my lips. But the eyeshadow, the formula is not too bad. It's very, not dry at all, which is cool. I like that. And it performed pretty well. The shimmers and I think one's a satin feels like was really soft and they're comfortable to wear. But I'm not. But if you guys do like this video, give it a like down below, leave comments, whatnot. I truly appreciate it. Sorry I got off track. But if you want to, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I do try to air 5 times a week if it keeps going on. Sometimes more, sometimes less. Depends on what's going on, like I said. But I hope you're staying safe, and especially right now, if you live in California, stay warm, stay inside. Because holy smokes, it's been pouring like cats and dogs from, yeah. But I love you all. Until the next time, guys. Bye.